Welcome to Learn Cebuano Fast. I hope you enjoy our podcast. Please like and subscribe. Let's get on with the show.
I have
Naakoy. Naakoy. Naakoy.
I do not have.
Wala ko'y. Wala ko'y. Wala ko'y.
Do you have?
Naabakay. Naabakay. Naabakay.
He she has.
Nasa'y. Nasa'y. Nasa'y.
We have exclusive of persons spoken to.
Naami. Naami. Naami.
We have inclusive of persons spoken to.
Naatay. Naatay. Naatay.
They have.
Naasilay. Naasilay. Naasilay.
I have money.
Na ako'y kwarta. Na ako'y kwarta. Na ako'y kwarta.
I do not have money.
Wala ko'y kwarta. Wala ko'y kwarta. Wala ko'y kwarta.
Do you have a pen?
Naaba kay ballpen. Naaba kay ballpen. Naaba kay ballpen.
I have a problem.
Na ako'y problema. Na ako'y problema. Na ako'y problema.
I have a question.
Na ako'y pangutana. Na ako'y pangutana. Na ako'y pangutana.
Do you have change money?
Na kay sensiyo. Na kay sensiyo. Na kay sensiyo.
I do not have a key.
Wala ko'y yawi. Wala ko'y yawi. Wala ko'y yawi.
He she has a car.
Naasa'y sakyanan. Naasa'y sakyanan. Naasa'y sakyanan.
We have a house in the province.
Naami balay sa probinsya. Naami balay sa probinsya. Naami balay sa probinsya.
I have time.
Na ako'y oras. Na ako'y oras. Na ako'y oras.
I do not have a choice.
Wala ko'y choice. Wala ko'y choice. Wala ko'y choice.
Do you have a boyfriend-girlfriend?
Naaba kay uyab? Naaba kay uyab? Naaba kay uyab?
I have many things to do.
Na ako'y daghang buhaton. Na ako'y daghang buhaton. na ako'y daghang buhaton.
I want to share a few quick ways you can accelerate your learning and support the show. First, head over to www.linguafile.com. That's linguafyle.com to check out our amazing dual reader articles and language learning apps. You can also support the podcast by getting our official companion book to study alongside the episodes. And finally, if you just want to drop a quick tip, please consider donating through the Buy Me a Coffee link in the show notes below. Every little bit helps. All right, are you ready? Let's jump into today's episode.